Good morning. Sean and I are here at Epcot this morning to check out some pins. We got a good spot. It is actually almost 9:45. So the park opened 45 minutes ago, but not too busy. I think it's going to be a good morning. There's the Epcot Spaceship Earth.
We can see what a pin drop looks like.
Yeah.
It's our first Tuesday.
Yep.
Try and, who knows?
See what we can see.
Yeah.
I would like them to release some more of the pumpkin pins, the pumpkin box pins. I forget what they're called. All right, we are in. Nice day today. Doesn't seem super hot at the moment. Hopefully it's not crazy warm today. I think it's supposed to cool off a little bit, be more comfortable. It has been extremely hot here. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pass over the first pin board underneath Spaceship Earth over at the Pin Traders. Sean's gonna use the restroom. While Sean's in the restroom, I'm just checking out the pin board here really quickly. And I don't see anything. So let's go back and meet up with him. He's probably wondering where we are. Perfect timing. I went and checked out this pin board while you were in there and there was nothing on it. So I heard a little tip that the cast members actually get better pins on their lanyards at Epcot than, we can go check it out quick. Or just do a brief, I didn't see anything either. This is kind of an experiment for us because we've never been here on a Tuesday morning during pin drops.
Pintastic?
Yes. So we will see. All right, so we are heading into World Showcase. World Showcase technically doesn't open until 11, but I'm pretty sure they open up these shops, the pin trading location, and then the other building here right at the end of the walkway over to World Showcase. I think they open these up. Do they have a line? Okay, well, we'll see. We'll check it out. Maybe it's not crazy of a line. All right, so over here at Disney Traders is where we are heading. And it says enter. So we're gonna enter. Hi there.
Are there any left?
Yes, all of these are left today. This
Nice.
one is running slowly behind this one.
Okay, cool.
Hello.
Hi there. Yes.
Yeah, just put it up right over.
Alrighty. All right, they've got the floors taped off. The floors are taped off. So you just follow the line in the floor. There's the pins. Right up there. Let's see what we can get.
We had a little catalog, but I didn't get to see it.
I know. All right, so this is our first Tuesday morning pin release, and it's pretty complex. They have it all set up so that they have the floors all taped off, so you have to kind of stay within the lines on the floors. These people are all waiting in line. They have a list of the pins that are releasing today, but here's the floors all taped off. Right, so we got our bag of pins. We got 2 cool pins. Are we going out the...
Let's go this way.
Thank you. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, so this is the one that I picked out, the Hocus Pocus Sanderson Sisters limited edition.
It's even got a dial in there.
Yeah, that is such a cool pin. So cool. So I just realized that my camera was not filming at the store in Epcot when I was showing you the second pin that we got. But this is the pin that Sean picked out. This is one of the huge limited edition Disney Artist Collection pins. It's probably 4 by 4 inches. It's huge. All right, so we are now in the line to get our pin signed by the artist who is here this morning. It's right at the port of entry. Right opposite of the pin store here in Epcot, World Showcase. So we are now heading to grab some food because we are both hungry. We're gonna check out the 2 pin boards here, kind of right next to Creations. There should be 2 boards. Let's see.
Cool.
Oh yeah, look at that one. That one's cute. Oogie boogie. All right, there's another pin board over here. See if there's anything on this one. Oh, look at this one. That one's a cool one. Yeah, I want that one for sure. All right, we hopped into Creations. I did trade a really cool pin, which I will show a picture of it now. But we're checking to see if they have any more of the pumpkin boxes. What do they have? They have Haunted Mansion. Yup. No pumpkins.
What was this one?
That was the light up.
Yeah. Do we really want to risk it?
I know. I wish you could tell by the weight of the box. I'd like to just trade with somebody because we have a bunch of them. See if somebody, although the chances of somebody wanting to trade a chaser is slim. I might grab one of these just to try something different. All the fun Halloween stuff. Oh, this is a cute t-shirt. Hold on, look at this t-shirt. I like this Pick Your Poison t-shirt. How much is that? I think these ones they're $25 each when you buy 2. But yeah, that Pick Your Poison one is cute. All right, so we decided to hop over to Joffrey's instead. The pumpkin espresso martini. Oh, that looks so good. That one looks good too. Pumpkin patch latte. I'm gonna do the pumpkin patch latte. Those are their fall beverages that are out here at the Joffrey's just outside of Connections Eatery. All right, we got our pumpkin latte and Sean just got a pumpkin cold brew. And there is our cinnamon bun. Looks good. Okay, so we are done demolishing that huge cinnamon bun, and we're gonna head into Treasures of Xandar to check their pin board.
Soren!
All right, Treasures of Xandar here at Guardians of the Galaxy ride exit. It's a busy spot. Making our way up to the checkout area. Thank you. You too. All right, none there. We're gonna now head to Mission Space and check out the exit gift shop at Mission Space. All right, we're heading into Mission Space Cargo Bay. See what they got for pins here. I didn't realize it, but I scored one of the not so scary Halloween mystery pins on a board as a trade. Check out the pins. Oh, that's a cute Dumbo. Perfect. Look at this one. All right, no luck here. Sean wants to get one of the... Oh, actually, I'm going to do a shout out for you, Sean.
Oh, yeah?
Sean has a new TikTok called Cotton Candy Culprit with all of his cotton candy antics. So make sure if you're on TikTok, you go over and follow his page. He has lots of awesome photos, Disney photos. He does really good photography. And he has, over the years, taken many cool Disney photographs. So definitely go follow his cotton candy antics at Cotton Candy Culprit.
Awesome.
All right, there's your plug. All right, we're gonna head to Test Track, check out the gift shop here, the pin board over here, and I think that's, wow, loud. I think that's all of the boards on this side. All right, Test Track Gear Shop. Let's see what they have for pins in here. Going in the out. Here's the pin board. You want to go check and see if they have any pumpkins? We're looking for the pumpkins somewhere. No luck at Test Track. We're gonna make our way across the Creations building and across the other side of the park. We'll hit up those and then we're probably heading out of here. Making another quick pass to see if we see any more.
Wave B on there.
Where do you see?
Mickey ears, aren't they waves?
Yes, they are. Yep. That's wave A, I think. Let's see. Oh, that's a good one. I'm gonna grab that one. Hi there. Yeah, this is a cool one. Is that Avengers? Thank you. All right, so I picked up a Wakanda Forever pin. It's not a collection that we have, but it's a cool pin and it's different. So I traded a Cinderella ears that I've had for a bit. I started originally collecting the ear hats, and then I switched over to the ear headbands. So I've been collecting mostly just the ear headbands only because they've been a part of the Hidden Mickey series that was just released. So we're heading, yeah, it's definitely, yeah, cool.
Panther's pretty, that's a good movie.
Yep.
Both of them are good movies.
We watched that on the cruise ship, didn't we? Yeah, we did. I remember that. Right. Okay, so you can see Mickey and Friends, 25-minute wait right in here. There's another pin station just outside of this area over here, which is where we're heading right now.
This one's the 12 and up one.
Yes, they do have a child's pin.
board.
Yes, they have a child's pin board, which we could. She's got a pin board right here too. Check out this one first.
Oh, hey, I want that Jiminy Cricket.
Oh, okay.
The Pluto one.
Yeah, okay. I'm just blessing the board. It's a kid's board, but we're just adding a pin. We're not taking one. Yeah, we're just adding one. We know this is a kid's board, so putting some cool ones on there. All right, so we blessed a children's board here at Epcot this morning with a Wave A headband ears.
Nothing in there.
No, they have a pin board over here. They do. Yeah, they have it right here. They got a little girl's looking at it. All right, nothing on that board. Over at the guest experience tent or umbrella, but we are gonna check out the Seas Pavilion exit ride gift shop. They actually just renamed this. because there wasn't a name on it. I don't think. I think they just put a name on this gift shop. I don't know what it is yet, but we will see when we get up here. And one of my favorite little snack treats here at Epcot is the, what was it called? Kokomora?
That's your favorite, huh?
It was really good. It was coconut pineapple in a coconut shell, almost like a sorbet. And they have them right here. There it is. The Hakamora, not Kokomora. Hakamora Delight. Right there. $6.75 is so good. If you want a nice cold treat, grab one. Okay, so there is the C's. Standby is 15 today. Usually it's a walk-on, so it's a little busy right now. Seabase Aquarium. I guess that's where we're going. I thought they had a new name for it, for the gift shop. I guess it's just Seabase Aquarium. All right, so let's check out the pin board here. She has the pin board. Hey. Hi there, yes.
Dog, is that Tramp?
Lady? No, that's Lady. I have that one. I have that. I do. I have that one already.
That would
It's
probably
cute.
offensive, actually.
Oh, there's a.
Yeah, is that Judy House?
Hey, what is that?
Avengers.
Avengers? Do you think Alyssa would want that one or no?
No, she's super picky.
I know. All right, so I think we can probably just hit the last couple on the way out. We've had kind of a busy morning here, waiting in line for the pin release.
Waiting in line for a signing.
Waiting-
You have to wait in line for
I know. Moana's Journey of Water looks busy. A lot of people coming in right now. It's gotten busy.
leaving.
Yep. Well, a lot of people probably let this be their later morning park only because World Showcase technically doesn't open till 11.
Yeah.
So they probably sleep in for a little bit and then head out to Epcot for the rest of the evening.
Another scorcher though.
Yep, it is warm. It was nice earlier.
Wow.
All right, so now we're gonna head into Pin Traders. Oh, the breeze feels so nice coming through here. It always feels so nice. No pin board? They must have a pin board.
Maybe it's on the other side too.
Huh? Maybe. It's right here. They've got a little one right here. Okay, that breeze feels amazing. There was nothing on that board in there. That was just a small, that's not the normal board that's there. It was just a little small board. Sometimes they have a board over here. You want to just check and see? I think they usually do. It's not very busy, so let's see. Do you know if, is there a pin board here?
No.
Not here? Okay, thanks. Okay, no pin board here. There was one at one point, but there is not today. So, we are off to the parking lot to head home to go to work. I need to finish up my journals that need to go out this week. They're just about done, just finishing the charms, the charm dangles. I will post a quick little picture of what they look like. Those are from my Patreon journal tier members. I do have a drop over on my Patreon with some Halloween journals, and they'll be randomly going up in my Patreon throughout the rest of this month. So head on over there. Membership is free. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna start up the car. Thanks for pin dropping with us this morning. We will see you guys again in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on that notifications bell so you're notified when we post new videos. And be sure to follow our socials. Links in the bio. Have a great Tuesday, guys.